He gets going on. Oh, go fast stairs. Hold on. Let me turn the light off for you. You gotta grab a spot. A monster. Type. See if I can find it. Let's go this way. My Uncle Sean just got a monster beast or something. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Look at that.
Oh my god. I thought we
And
met
the seats
deer.
are air conditioned in the back.
I think it makes Dad's truck look little.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really?
Yeah, really, that's right.
I think I got this in backwards.
Let me see.
This weather truck. Yeah, I gotta flip that around.
Oh, god. Oh,
I
my
was
god.
wondering why it wasn't working. I'm like, yeah, you gotta put this in the fuel. I'm trying to get something for the dog. I don't figure out.
That's a big beast.
We'll find out in a minute here. I
Yeah,
think you're
'cause
right.
Hey, you
Yeah,
got
that's the way it
got
goes. I
anything?
had it backwards. I was wondering. Why is it
Well, yeah, but is it going to
Yeah, it
interfere
goes
with
up. It's supposed to meet. See, that's supposed to meet that corner. Push it up. See where that right there. See where that thing. See how no, it's supposed to mold with the side. See, that's right here goes with that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but does it interfere with the door?
No,
Does it?
no,
This here?
no.
Won't cut it?
No, this you got to put in for things. But I want to get. What I really want to do is get something in here that is even with this all the way across,
Oh, you can.
so I can have both dogs in the bag.
Oh.
I don't need to get it covered. Not to get it looking in line. That's a screw to get the shoes. Yeah, I got something for that too, but I'm not gonna get it in there, right? Oh, screw guy. Yeah, I think I like this.
Oh, yeah, that's
It's like $200.
Well, how much is the nails?
I have to look in the receipt.
Yeah.
I can't remember. 29 or something like that. I'll throw 'em- I'm gonna use that screw gun to put his stuff in before I get it to bed. So tell him to take get use out of it first.
Yeah.
See those gas got to get extra. Just look at this.
Yeah.
Got a backup camera. The seats go back to where they're supposed to be. You can set them.
Oh, it's a different color, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a caribou.
Yeah, well, that's a nice color. I like it.
Yeah, it's got pedal. You can adjust the pedal.